Hey, it's Doug Henschen here, VP and Principal Analyst at Constellation Research. And we're here at the Constellation Connected Enterprise event in Half Moon Bay, California. Having a great time. And I'm here with Ed Macosky. He's Chief Product and Technology Officer at Boomi.
Yes, I am.
Tell us about your world there. And I understand you're a boomerang. You've been there and you've come back.
I am a boomerang. I was originally one of the first 10 employees of the company. So I joined Boomi way back in 2003. Was with the company for a long time. I did step out for about 5 years and joined another enterprise company, but came back about 5-6 years ago now to run product and engineering.
Very good. So a lot of people know Boomi as an iPaaS, integration platform as a service company, but you're morphing a bit now. Tell us a little bit about how the company is changing.
Yeah, first and foremost, while we are known as an iPaaS and connecting and integrating things, we are an integration and automation company. So when going back just a couple of years ago, when we started really looking at the use cases of what our customers are doing with our platform, it has broadened into integrating and automating business processes and processes between customers of ours and their customers, et cetera. So we did even further research and found that our customers are connecting and automating over 300,000 unique things in the market. So anywhere from cameras to databases to applications to literally washing machines that are connected with Raspberry Pis. We do all kinds of things. So we are blending the lines between traditional iPaaS integration, RPA automation, et cetera.
And a lot of talk about agentic applications today. Where is that leading you? What are your customers asking you for?
Yeah, so quite literally, when the rise of Gen AI hit, OpenAI became mainstream just a couple of years ago, we found our customers came to us and offered us up the right to win in terms of our customers saying, hey, Boomi, hey, Ed, specifically in conversations, you've already become the neural network within our organization. You're helping us manage data, connect data, integrate and automate things. You have access to all of our data sources and our business processes anyway. How can you help us with our AI strategy, because we've already got connectivity and visibility to all these data sets within the organization. And that is what kind of set us off in a little bit of not a pivot or a new direction, but an enhanced and additional focus in AI and agents from chat, where Chat GPT came to where we are now in an agentic world. You see it's evolved similar to what we've seen historically with APIs and microservices and those types of things. We kind of see those. I kind of see, an agentic world as just a really, really smart set of microservices that are coming up in the market, and our customers are leveraging, and we're finding ourselves on the forefront of integrating, orchestrating, managing agents on behalf of our customers, as well as building them, because we handle the underlying, the data quality and data access underneath large language models.
I wouldn't think pivot, I would think evolution.
Evolution, yes.
Yeah. So some investments you're making to further that, I think of things like API management, data management, things. Tell us about some of the investments you're making.
Yeah, so very specifically, we still are going very strong in our integration automation pillar, the traditional and evolved iPaaS space, but we have acquired a couple of technologies and companies in the API management space. We do believe that in order to lead in the next wave of an agentic world, the API management is still critical for organizations. Agents need access to APIs in order to get to data, and they need to be governed. So we're investing pretty heavily there, and we expect to lead in that category. We're also investing in data management. We have a great data hub product. We're looking at enhancing around data pipelines, data access, data governance, et cetera. This is what our customers are asking us for, underneath large language models and AI technologies. Our customers need high quality data, and that's become in vogue again. It was not in vogue for a number of years, but it is very popular again. We're happy about that. And then wrapping around these AI technologies, AI, automation, integration, et cetera, is all important.
How does that change your partner world? I've heard you guys say, we're not going to do it alone. We need partners. Some of these partners will also be bringing agents to your platform.
Yeah, exactly. So one that is public, I can talk about. So ServiceNow is a large partner of ours. We announced a partnership with them in terms of API management and our AI strategy, and working very closely with them. We all know AWS is a large partner of ours. We run on the AWS platform, but also we have an open ecosystem around how we connect and integrate and govern other ecosystems as well. So we're excited that while a lot of these different ecosystems and a lot of those GSIs, systems integrators in the market are building agents as well, based on our our history, where we come from, we're in a great spot. A lot of these partners are coming to us asking to help with the future integration, orchestration, registration of these. So I find myself in a really fun spot, kind of working across these vendors, working with different leaders across these organizations to build something really cool.
And it doesn't hurt that your CEO, Steve Lucas, has been in quite a few places,
that
opening a few doors.
That does not hurt either.
Okay. Well, let's end with customers. To what degree are you kind of painting a vision that your customers have to follow versus ones where they're kind of leading the way?
We're kind of, I've seen this tipping point happen in the last, I'll call it literally 6 months. When I go back a year ago, we were talking about AI in the context of what we're doing. We had a number of customers, as I mentioned earlier, come to us to help with the AI strategy. But, 6-8 months ago, customers were just trying to figure out what those strategies would be. We are in the wave right now where our customers are realizing actual business value, and they're starting to see return on implementing their AI projects with Boomi and a combination of Boomi and other technologies as well. And they're really excited about what we're going to bring to them in the next couple of months in our AI registry, to the point that customers are coming to us, giving a lot of input. We've communicated our vision. Steve's communicated our vision a lot on stage at a bunch of different events. But it's prompted customers to say, hey, we are really interested in this. Let us give you our opinions and our requirements around this. So there's not much drag, actually. Customers are getting engaged. We have a lot of design partners, and I'm excited about what's coming in the next quarter.
Great.
So.
I'm looking forward to hearing from some of them. Tell us about Boomi World 2025. Where and when does that happen?
Oh, geez, great question. Boomi World 2025. It is in Dallas, Texas, I believe, in May of 2025.
Great. Well, we're looking forward to that. Ed Macosky, thanks for coming to Constellation Connected Enterprise. This is Doug Henschen signing off.